All right, hey guys, welcome in. Today we are doing a step-by-step reindeer on here. A red-nosed reindeer. Maybe it's Rudolph. I don't know. So I'm going to start it.
All the way right in the middle, probably about the size of my
Before we
hand.
get started on here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's the easiest way to get all my free fun videos coming out every single week. Let's get the button and the bell a click, and then we can get started on our reindeer. I'm going to start with 2 dots on here, kind of about the middle of the page. I don't want to go up too high because I want to save some room for my antlers. So I'm going to kind of do an arched line that goes from one side to the other. I can do that a little bit. Start it out lightly just because I get a little nervous. I've never drawn a reindeer before. I want to leave enough room for my antlers up top. A little bit further on each side.
There we go, that looks nice. And then I'm gonna do a big circle for his red nose in the middle.
That was a pretty good circle. I like that. And then from one side goes over. Same thing over here. And then we'll make a big mouth kind of shape right in there. I suppose I could have waited for that, and then you can connect the sides. If it's on there, you can give them some eyes on each side. You can do a nice circle. 1 and then 2. Maybe, I guess, a little bit more like an oval shape. Leave a little bit of highlight for the little cute part of the eyes. It's up to you if you want to give them a smile or not. Some pictures have the smile, some pictures
Do not. I'm gonna give him on the side over here, a little bump line, and then another one over on this side with a little arch line in between. In between those, kind of looking a little bit like a bear right now.
But his antlers are definitely going to tell type of the animal in a little bit here. So I'm going to have one line over here, one line over here. Then it's almost similar to some fingers that kind of go out and then up. And then out and then up, back down to the bottom. Try to do that same thing on the other side. Okay, nice. A couple more details that might help. I'm going to put a little line under the nose and then give him a little bit of a smirk on this side. Like I said, you can do whatever kind of smile face that you want. I outline this in Sharpie and then be thinking about what I'm going to do for colors and my background. Let's go through that real quick. Okay, there it is, looking nice. Now I am going to add some colored pencils to the face and be still thinking about what I'm going to do for my background. I think I got a good idea. So let's make a little magic happen with these, just like that. Bam! Fantastic. I like how he looks right in the middle of here.
A little sunset background. I call it a snow set in the background. I've done that on an old video.
Hopefully you guys had some fun as well as I did. As always, I am Mr. Shooty. This is Mr. Shooty's Art Channel. We'll talk to you guys later.